Good evening. I'm Storm Track Meteorologist Evan Bedron. As you're not throughout the rest of your evening, we've been dealing with some on and off scattered showers and thunderstorms. We're going to continue to see that trend as we go into Monday as well, but that humidity is going to be sticking around as we go into midweek, and then past midweek we can start seeing the dew points start to back off a little bit, but we'll still be with that very hot temperatures all the way into the start of next week. But then where is the cooler air at? We've been pretty warm, and this is kind of our usual temperatures for this time of year, but maybe a little too hot for some of us as we go throughout the rest of your week. And we are still in that excessive heat warning, at least until Thursday as of right now, so make sure you are taking the necessary steps to stay cool and hydrated. Right now, look at our Junction City camera. We had some showers maybe about an hour ago. Those have since cleared out. We're just off to some cloud cover behind the stationary front that slowly made its way through our area. Taking a look at Saturday and radar, again, there's those showers and thunderstorms along that front slowly making their way off towards our south and east. And again, just behind that, we're left with some cloud cover, but we're expected to dry out until at least around sundown later tonight to the overnight period. We are expecting our shower chances to return as we go into the early part of your Monday morning. Temperatures today only got into the mid-80s due to a lot of that shower activity and also a lot of the cloud cover, helping really keep the temperatures from really taking off too much in the 90s. We're still expecting temperatures to increase a little bit more as we go through that next few hours, but we're expecting more warmer air, at least for tomorrow into about midweek next week, with, again, temperatures making their way finally into the 90s, with some of us even seeing the lower 100s. Right now, again, temperatures just in around 83 degrees. You know what that feels like in the lower 90s due to that dew point almost 80 degrees and that southeast wind about 10 miles per hour is going to help keep on feeling that warmth and humidity out of the south as you go throughout the rest of your day today and even into tomorrow. Temperatures locally, though, you see Ottawa's at 93, Burlington, you're at 90 degrees, but then Hiawatha, Holton, and Manhattan, you're around the mid-80s due to, again, a lot of that cloud cover and shower activity helping keeping the temperatures suppressed a little bit as you went throughout the day today. Dew points across the area as well, generally in the mid to upper 70s. Some of us a little bit drier, like in Marysville, Concordia, Salina. You're around the 70-degree mark, but again, a lot of us feeling that warmth and humidity today, and we're going to be staying that way at least until tomorrow and Tuesday, ahead of a little bit of a dry time on Wednesday. Taking a look at our future track, though, again, a lot of those showers slowly make their way towards the southeast. We're left with some spotty cloud cover, but many of us dry as you go throughout the early part of your Sunday evening. And then as you get closer to Sunday night into Monday early on in the morning, you start seeing our showers and thunderstorms make their return towards our far western counties. Those slide their way east, but they lose their intensity as they make their way closer to the eastern portion of Kansas. And some of those thunderstorms in our far western counties could be strong with some wind gusts closer to 60 miles per hour, but we aren't expecting any severe thunderstorms out of this. And as you go with that Monday morning, we're dealing with some showers and thunderstorms towards our south. Again, not severe, but there could be some strong downpours within these storms. And as you continue to go throughout your Monday to Monday afternoon, we're all dried out, which is going to help our temperatures take off into those upper 90s, some of us even the lower 100s. And we're going to stay dry and clear as you go that Monday into the early part of your Tuesday as well. Take a look at our future heat index. Again, we're expecting a heat index closer to 105 degrees, and some of us could even be getting closer to 110 degrees, especially as we approach Tuesday. We're expecting our dew points to decrease. And again, looking towards Tuesday, you see a lot of lower 100s, some of us closer to the 105-degree mark. So definitely a warm pattern set up for us here in northeastern Kansas. Temperatures warming up into the lower 100s again as you enter midweek with our dew points backing off. And we're going to be staying around the lower 100s all throughout the rest of your week, even into next weekend. We're expecting Saturday and Sunday to even be hotter than this week.